Welcome you all. In this session we are going to discuss in detail about the operation of capacitive voltage transformer. Outcome: after successful completion of this session, the student would able to explain the operation of capacitive voltage transformer. Capacitive voltage transformers is a device used in power system to measure voltages. It consists of capacitive divider with suitable matching or isolating potential transformer tuned for resonance condition. It can be connected to a low impedance device like pressure coil of voltmeter or a relay coil. It can supply a load of very few volt ampere. Capacitive voltage transformers step down the high voltage input signal and provide the low voltage signal, which can easily measure through the measuring instrument. The capacitive voltage transformer is also called as the capacitive potential transformers. The capacitive voltage transformer are more complex than the resistance type. For measurement of impulse voltage not exceeding 1 megavolt, capacitance dividers can be both portable and transportable. In general, the measurement of 1 megavolt and over the capacitive dividers are shown in figure. The low voltage capacitor C2 should be non-inductive, a form of capacitor which has given an excellent result in mica or thin foil plate construction, each having connected tags coming out of opposite corners. This ensures the current cannot pass from the high voltage circuit to a delay cable without actually going through a folic cable. It is also important that the coupling between the high and low voltage arms of divider be purely capacitive. So the slide shows the circuit diagram of a capacitive voltage divider. Capacitive voltage divider consists of two sections of capacitance C1 and C2. C1 is made up of few units of high voltage capacitance, and hence the total capacitance are about 1000 picofarad. An isolating or a matching potential transformer is connected between the load and the meter, that you can see meter, and the capacitance C2 as shown in figure. For high voltage rating, the rating is 10 to 30 kilovolt, and for low voltage rating is 100 to 500 volt. A low resistance in parallel to C2 would load the low voltage arm of divider too heavy and decrease the output voltage with time. Since R and Z form the potential divider and R is equal to Z, the voltage input to the cable will be half of the voltage across the capacitance C2. This half voltage travels towards the open ended of cable CRO end and gets doubled after reflection. That is, the voltage recorded by the CRO is equal to the voltage across the capacitor C2. The reflected wave charges the cable in the final voltage magnitude and absorbed by R. That is, reflection takes place at R, and since R is equal to Z, the wave is completely absorbed as a coefficient of voltage reflection is 0, as the capacitor C2 acts as a short circuit for high frequency waves. This kind of damped capacitive dividers acts for high frequencies as a resistive divider and for low frequencies as a capacitive divider. It can therefore be used over a wide range of frequencies, that is for impulse voltage of very different duration and also for alternating voltages. So this is how the high voltage is measured with the help of capacitive voltage transformer. Thank you.